Hello and welcome to another Englicious activity 2-minute demo. Today we're going to look at a noun phrase generator. To access this, we're going through the grammar option. We're going to choose word, class and noun. This is just one way you can find the resource. You could search for it, but we're doing it this way. You can see the tag there of noun at the top, and this is a popular resource, so it's near the top of the list. We get a little preview. Click view resource to come to the instruction page. We're looking at the noun phrase generator. As always, bold words you can mouse over to get the glossary definition, or you can go to the glossary in the top right hand corner to get national curriculum definitions of terminology. Then you can see a lesson plan. So this is quite detailed, we won't read this now, but it has lots of different ways you can exploit and use this and build a lesson around that. But we're going to scroll down and click activity, which takes us to the main slides. We have a couple of slides in this activity, and in the top right hand corner we have the whiteboard button. Click that and we get a new pop-up, so we can put these activities into full screen and project them onto an interactive whiteboard. So from here we are going to go to the second slide, and the first thing you'll see are these blue arrows at the top of the columns. If we click those, we can mix around the order or the syntax of these noun phrases, and your learners will notice that in some orders these just don't seem to make sense. So that I saw useful, the pajamas, just doesn't sound right in English, so we can find out what is the correct or meaningful syntax. And we have determiner, adjective, noun, and then preposition, phrase, or clause. And then from there, it's a question of scrolling up and down on the columns to get all kinds of different noun phrases, like these green pajamas that I saw. So another grammatical point here is that the determiners and the noun should agree whether they're singular or plural. And from there, the real question is, do you want to make a sensible noun phrase that kind of makes sense in a typical fashion, or you can make some silly, wacky, unusual noun phrases. And these noun phrases, of course, could be subjects or objects of sentences. We could turn those sentences into short stories or other creative things.